So this is my kitchen, and I love my kitchen. The only problem is I have too many small appliances on the counter, and I want to get rid of some of them. Vitamix, my juicer, my kettle, my frother, paper towels, dishes, which is normal, fruit, cutting boards, utensils, knives. Well, I was cooking, toaster oven, air fryer, and so I want to change all this and put it somewhere else, because the only thing that gets used a lot is probably my kettle and my air fryer. I think on a daily basis. So, but what I want to do is move everything into, some of it into here, but I need to declutter. I just need to declutter a lot of things, so let's get to it. So this is everything at the pantry. It's a lot, but you know, it's a family of 4 teenagers. So I'm gonna declutter all this, see what's expired. I don't think hardly anything's expired over here, but yeah. And then we're gonna figure out how we're gonna configure the pantry. So I went through everything. This is all this expired. Not by like a couple of months, by like years. I had some things that said 2022. I was just like, jeez. But anyway, yeah, so that stuff's gonna go in the trash. And I did all the counter stuff. Now I gotta get all my small appliances and figure out what I'm gonna do. Like, there's so much space up there, and if I get shelf risers, I can probably do it. But then I have to buy a step stool because I can't get up there, as you can tell. Look, unless I get my tall kids to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna go check my basement, see if I have any shelf risers or make up something, and we'll see how that works out. looks better. And I don't have to worry about all these boxes because my kids tend to just leave the boxes. I'm just like, you know, break it down and put it outside. But anyway, so let's get started on the next shelves. All my small utensils up there. This is my juicer, but it has a lot of parts, so I keep it in there. And I put what I'm gonna use the most up front. So the juicer and the toaster I put up there, and rice. So everything else, it looks good. Oh gosh, it looks dirty up there, huh? I missed some stuff. Probably because all the rice that fell. But anyway, you know what? That's life. And then down here is the kids' snacks, cereal. We need to restock cereal. Down here, stuff for dinner, back stock. I kind of stockpile stuff, you know, like ketchup and all those over there. Down here, we have the pasta, potatoes, and onions, and garlic. I decided to put that there so the kids can reach and get paper plates and cups. And that's all my baking stuff. And this is a good idea too. Put all the drinks in a bin. It just makes it look more organized and not so cluttered. Well, that is everything. Looks so good. We'll see how well this stays organized with my kids. But then now, we gotta tackle all this mess. But we can do that with a snap of a finger. Ready? Thank you guys so much for watching. I completely forgot to do an outro for this video, but it's been a week and the kids have been keeping it organized, and I'm just glad that it's completed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. For those who always come, thank you for watching. And until we meet again, have a very blessed day. Bye.